My name is Paul Boudre. I am the CEO of Soitec, a world-leading company designing and manufacturing innovative semiconductor substrates for microelectronics. Soitec was born in 1992 in CEA-Leti, and since the beginning, the innovation is our DNA, thanks to a unique know-how and unique technologies, in particular the SmartCut process. Our 1,800 employees provide engineered substrate solutions, enabling our customers' products to shape our everyday life on the high-growth market of smartphones, automotive, IoT, and cloud infrastructure.
My name is Sébastien Dauver. I'm the CEO of CEA-Leti. CEA-Leti is a world-leading technology research institute at CEA. CEA has been a pioneer for more than 50 years in the field of semiconductors and microelectronics. Our aim is to transfer innovative technology to our industrial partners, especially those located in France and in Grenoble. We've got about 2,000 researchers who are highly motivated to improve the competitiveness of companies of all sizes in all sectors. To this end, we have developed multidisciplinary expertise, and we also take advantage of high-level clean rooms and their equipment. They include 200 and 300 mm process flow. On behalf of CEA and Soitec's team, I'm very honored to receive the ERTO Innovation Award Impact delivered for our innovative SmartCut technology. May I remind you that ERTO is a European Association of Research and Technology Organizations which counts over 350 ERTO European members. Each year, ERTO rewards ERTO concrete innovation with significant societal and/or economic impact.
Indeed, Soitec, in collaboration with CEA, has created the patented SmartCut process. This is based on engineered substrate fabrication, which consists of a transfer of a thin active layer of silicon from one substrate to another. It can be used in all electronic devices like RF components and low-energy power consumption electronic components for computing, for edge AI, for insistence. Today, our RF SOI substrates are present in 100% of smartphones' front-end modules. This technology, born in Europe, completely displaced the incumbent GaAs technology by offering an incomparable PPAC. PPAC means performance, power area, and cost for 3G and beyond. As an example, the solution on our substrate is as much as twice smaller at a lower cost. So thanks to joint effort in innovations, we were able to propose a high-volume industrial solutions right in time to become world leader. In cooperation with CEA, we continue to develop the next generations of engineered substrates for 5G and 6G to address the needs for final customers and fabless, with whom we establish a direct, enhanced relationship.
The technological partnership between Soitec and CEA is more than 30 years old. Since the beginning, CEA has been offering its expertise and its tools to help Soitec to gain more and more fundamental knowledge on SmartCut technology. Throughout these years, we have also been developing innovative technological building blocks that have opened new market opportunities for Soitec. In 2018, we decided to reinforce our collaboration with the creation of the Substrate Innovation Center. A major point of this center is that it offers a prototype line for advanced substrates that is directly housed in CEA. Its aim is to allow the early testing by microelectronics manufacturers of highly innovative substrate on small wafer series. At the end, we can speed up the technological validation phases.
So, by federating our skills, we accelerate the development and the ramp-up of our productions of the new generations of engineered substrates. In 2018, the historical cooperation model between Soitec and CEA was enhanced by the creation of a joint Substrate Innovation Center. Common Soitec and CEA-Leti teams are working together in the same clean room and laboratories. This joint effort between CEA-Leti and Soitec has been strongly supported by the Auvergne-Rhône-Alpes region, French Ministry of Economy and the European Commission. So, semiconductor is an essential transversal sector for many industries, in particular automotive, healthcare, communications, IoT, and cloud, etc., etc., etc. The pandemic is transforming our lives and has resulted in a much higher demand for connectivity, resulting in an increased demand for semiconductors. Europe has a great role to play in this transformation. European leadership on key markets requires the establishment of a complete, trusted supply chain, starting from the material. Soitec engineered substrates represent a solid foundation to achieve this industrial autonomy. Our SmartCut technology, industrially proven for digital low power consumptions, sensing and telecommunications, can be adapted for many more applications like highly efficient power components for electrical vehicles. Here I'm referencing SiC, silicon carbide. We bring differentiated, competitive and greener solutions to European key application sectors.
CEA-Leti addresses the whole value chain from materials to system integration. As previously stated, the SmartCut technology offers many advantages in terms of consumption and RF requirements. For that reason, we often use this technology to develop embedded solutions for our partners, especially in the field of automotive, RF and IoTs, as said by Paul. We are convinced that SmartCut technology will continue to play a significant role for many applications and that more advanced nodes will use this technology. In this period, where people realize that a major part of the semiconductors production is based in Asia, it's an opportunity to always have significant companies and production in Europe. CEA, in alliance with other European research organizations, are building a strong research ecosystem that is able to address major problems currently facing the industry. Of course, RTO are not able to increase themselves the production in the short term, but as already been said here, we are able to support our industrial partners to speed up the time to market. Last but not last, our main objective is also to prepare the mid- and long-term position of Europe thanks to relevant technology. By this means, RTO are well positioned to build the European independence and sovereignty.